In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ManyChat team member collaborator. We'll walk through the exact steps inside your ManyChat dashboard, and I'll also explain what each role means so you can confidently choose the right access level for your team. First, log into your ManyChat account as you normally would. Once you're on your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu, and in that menu there's a settings option, usually represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on Settings to open up the main configuration area for your account. When the settings page loads, look again at the left panel within this section. Here you'll see several options related to your workspace. Find the one labeled Team Members and click on it. This is where you manage who has access to your bot and what they can do inside your account. Inside the Team Members section, look to the upper right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Invite New Member or plus Invite New Member. Click that button. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll choose the role for the collaborator you want to add. ManyChat offers several different roles, each with its own level of permissions. The admin role is the most powerful, just below the owner. Admins can handle most of the serious management tasks. They can manage contacts and roles, disable and clone the bot, share its content, create and install templates, and manage billing and payments. Only assign this role to someone you fully trust with high-level access. Next is the editor role. Editors focus mainly on content. They can create and manage bot flows, install templates, and work on the messaging side of things. However, they cannot disable the bot, clone, or share its entire content, or create templates for others. This role is ideal for someone building and maintaining your automations, without giving them financial or structural control. Then you have the live chat agent role. This is designed for team members who talk directly with your subscribers. They can manage conversations, assign existing tags, and update custom user field values during chats. What they cannot do is create or edit bot content or view your automation setups. This keeps them focused on human-to-human interaction. Finally, the viewer role is read only. Viewers can see your bot statistics and review automation data, but they cannot change or create anything. This is handy for managers or stakeholders who just need visibility. Once you've chosen the appropriate role in the pop-up, click the option to generate an invite link. The pop-up will refresh and display a unique link for that specific role. Copy this link and share it directly with the person you want to invite, using your preferred communication channel. Keep in mind, this invite link is only valid for 24 hours and it can be used one time only. If it expires or they don't use it in time, you'll need to repeat the process and generate a new link, and that's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and securely add collaborators to your ManyChat account with the right level of access.